Assalamu alaikum, namaste, hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Learneasy 76. Today we are going to know about Bharat Ratan, the great Nobel Prize recipient in physics, Dr. Chandrasekhar Venkataramanji's life from brilliant student to great scientist. From the books Sparsh 9th standard CBSE syllabus, lesson 4 वैज्ञानिक चेतना के वाहक चंद्रशेखर वेंकट रामन, written by the great writer Dhiranjan Malve. Before that, as usual, a small request: who were not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe so that you will get more useful, more helpful content, and you will be the first viewer of my uploads. Click like button, press bell icon, share the friends and relatives. If you love to eat healthy and tasty food, please go to my channel, new channel, Cook with Nigar. You will find very tasty, healthy food. Recipes. You may like it. Come on, without wasting time, let us see the summary of this lesson. This lesson I have shortened. This is a long lesson. I have shortened, thinking that it will be very easy to read and learn. Hope you may like it. Come on, let us see now. प्रस्तुत पाठ वैज्ञानिक चेतना के वाहक चंद्रशेखर वेंकटरामन में नोबेल पुरस्कार विजेता रमन जी के संघर्षमय जीवन और उनके योगदान पर प्रकाश डाला है. In this lesson, the great writer Dhiranjan Malve has highlighted Ramanji's struggle-filled life and his great achievements. रमन जी का जन्म 7 नवंबर सन 1888 को तमिलनाडु के तिरुचिरापल्ली नगर में हुआ था. The great scientist was born on 7th November 1888 in तिरुचिरापल्ली city in Tamil Nadu. उनकी शक्ति नींव उनके पिता चंद्रशेखर रामानाथन अय्यर ने ही तैयार की थी. It is his father who laid very strong foundation in maths and physics. In result of that only, later he received a Nobel Prize in Physics. मात्र 11 वर्ष की आयु में उन्होंने छात्रवृत्ति पर मैट्रिक और 12वीं कक्षा उत्तीर्ण की. Just at the age of 11, he has completed secondary education, and at the age of 13, he has completed higher secondary education from the Anglo-Indian High School, तिरुचिरापल्ली. भौतिक और अंग्रेजी के स्वर्ण पदक के साथ प्रेसिडेंसी कॉलेज चेन्नई से बीए और एमए की डिग्री प्रथम श्रेणी में प्राप्त की. Besides getting gold medals in physics and English, he passed BA and MA in first class from the Presidency College, Chennai. 18 साल की उम्र में कलकत्ता में भारत सरकार के फिनांस डिपार्टमेंट में सहायक जनरल अकाउंटेंट नियुक्त कर लिए गए. At the age of only 18, he was appointed as assistant general accountant in finance department of India in Calcutta. वे वाद्य यंत्रों की ओर आकृष्ट हुए और वाद्य यंत्रों की ध्वनियों के पीछे छिपे वैज्ञानिक रहस्यों की पर्दे खोलने का प्रयास भी किए थे. The great scientist also tried to remove the veil from scientific mysteries hidden behind the sounds of musical instruments, both Western and Indian. चंद्रशेखर वेंकटरामन भारत में विज्ञान की उन्नति के चिर आकांक्षी थे तथा भारत की स्वतंत्रता के पक्षधर थे. The great scientist Ramanji aspired for the advancement of science in India and was in favor of India's independence too. वे महात्मा गांधी जी को अपना अभिमान मित्र मानते थे. He considered महात्मा गांधी जी as his proud friend. सन 1954 में रमन जी को देश का सर्वोच्च सम्मान भारत रत्न से सम्मानित किया गया. He has been awarded by the most prestigious award भारत रत्न in 1954. उन्होंने 1922 में प्रकाश के आणविक विवर्तन पर अपना काम प्रकाशित किया, जिसके कारण 28 फरवरी 1928 को विकिरण प्रभाव की उनकी अंतिम खोज हुई और 1930 में भौतिक में नोबेल पुरस्कार मिला. Then later he worked on molecular diffraction of light, later people considered as scattering of light, Raman's effect. This research of him considered as a final research, and he got Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. नवंबर 21, 1970 को बेंगलुरु में उनका निधन हुआ. Such a great scientist passed away on 21st November 1970 in Bangalore. हर साल 28 फरवरी को नोबेल पुरस्कार विजेता डॉक्टर सीवी रामन जी को श्रद्धांजलि देने के लिए राष्ट्रीय विज्ञान दिवस मनाया जाता है. एवरी ईयर इन कमेमोरेशन द ग्रेट साइंटिस्ट भारत रत्न सीवी रामन जी, नेशन सेलिब्रेट्स नेशनल साइंस डे on 28th February every year. Even though he received such a great prestigious award, Nobel Prize, he was not happy because the place where he stood and received the Nobel Prize, exactly on the top of him, on the top of his head, there was a flag of British people. So he felt very bad, he cried bitterly. That means he is not only great scientist but also great patriotic citizen of our country. Even though he is no more with us, his work will remain ever forever. He is the pioneer for new scientists. Hope you might have understood the highlights of his life. Suppose if you are satisfied with my explanation, don't forget to subscribe my channel, click like button, press bell icon, share with your friends and relatives. Till the next upload of video, take care of yourself. Have a nice time. Bye bye. Jai Hind. Allah Hafiz.